What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Fish Day back at you with another video. And this video, I'll be wrapping my car again, but not like last year how I did it. I'm not gonna do the whole car. This part, I'm only gonna do some parts, probably my fenders and my hood. I don't know yet exactly, but that's the plan. So yeah, stay tuned. And if it gets too dark and I don't finish, I'm gonna finish tomorrow morning and then get the video out for you guys. So yeah, this is the color that it's gonna be. You know, it's the holidays. Gotta be in that Christmas spirit.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So if you guys want to know what you need, pretty much tape and paper. That's all you need. Oh, and a knife or scissors if you so you can cut it. But yeah, that's basically it for all you people that want to wrap your car for the holidays.
So let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Alright guys, so I only did this first front fender right here, and actually it came out pretty good, better than I thought. So yeah, see what I do. I'm gonna finish it up tomorrow because it's already getting too dark and I have to go get ready. So yeah, I'll finish this tomorrow and let you see the rest of it. Alright guys, so it's currently actually Christmas Day, and I'm gonna finish the video up and try to post it today so you guys can enjoy it. And it's freaking freezing, so I'm gonna try to get it done as quick as possible so I can show you guys in this light. And yeah, so stay tuned with that.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
And then the truck. Whoa! Look, another clip. You guys just saw that. Now we did the whole thing. Boom! Shout out my boy Armando right here. No one else wanted to help me out except him. But yeah, now it's time. Oh, look at how it. I don't know if you guys can see that. Ooh, that shit shimmers. But yeah, hopefully we might go to a Carmen tonight, just to show it off, and then see if I could post a video today. And we good. Look at that. I should just done the whole car. Huh?
The roof, maybe?
I don't know, the roof last time was a bitch. But yeah, this is the finished product. We gotta make sure this shit don't fly off. But honestly, I think I like this wrap better than last year's. Oh. Follow my boy Armando if you want to see a clean SSI with that. Look at that. Doesn't it look pretty?
It's pretty.
Now time to take some flicks of this. She's shining.